I can't map, I can't mod, but I can manage a YouTube channel.
I will be your host for advanced hammer usage or advanced source usage in general.
My relationship with Hammer++ ever since the wedding has been rocky, to say the least.
I'm the nerd of the group. What else is there to say?
I don't like Portal. Not anymore. Don't ask why I can't move on.
I'm terrified of frogs. Wait, you have 6 gigabytes of RAM?
Oh, that's inaccurate. Portal 1 BTS. Gross.
Hi, I'm Linship2, inventor of the physically based rendering